New information tonight in a story we brought you last week about dozens of guns stolen from a Macon pawn shop. About half of those guns recovered in Crisp County. 2 weeks ago today, someone broke into Howard's pawn shop on Mercer University Drive. The Bibb County Sheriff's Office says they got away with around 60 weapons. Crisp County Sheriff Billy Hancock says they have made an arrest in the case. He says officers last week raided a home on Shepherd Drive in Cordele. Sheriff Hancock says they found 31 weapons stolen from Howard's, along with boxes of ammunition. He says 32-year-old Rontavius Jackson faces more than 60 charges, including receiving stolen property and weapons possession by a convicted felon. Sheriff Hancock says that investigation is still continuing.